We talk a lot about travel gear that you can't leave home without, but what's essential is what you can use when you return home too. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. From a super thin and absorbent towel to a Dopp kit for staying organized daily, we've rounded up travel gear so handy you'll want to use it at home. Plus, be sure to check out this video sponsor, Huckberry, to pick up all the travel gear in this video and more. We'll leave a link down in the description below. After all, some of these make great gifts for the travel lover in your life too. Let's dive in. A well-designed backpack simplifies the travel experience. We like how easy it is to pack a weekend's worth of gear inside of the Bellroy Venture backpack. Yet the features that make it great on a trip also work well for everyday carry. Unpack your passport and keep your phone, sunglasses, and wallet in the soft top pocket since the microfiber material won't scratch delicate gear. Two hidden side pockets provide streamlined storage for water bottles and other small accessories. And the left pocket even has a key clip on a long paracord leash. The main compartment opens clamshell thanks to the double zippers running horizontally down the front, so it's easy to pack with cubes and pouches. It gives you complete access to all the internal organization, including a 16-inch laptop sleeve, tablet pocket, and pen slot. As for other gear like tech and pouches, use the mesh zippered pockets on the front panel and stretchy side pockets. However, keep in mind that these compete for space with the external pockets, so you may need to plan ahead. When you're all packed up, close the lid along any 4 points depending on how much gear you're hauling. The well-padded harness system makes this backpack comfortable to carry throughout the day, although the shoulder straps can loosen, in this colorway specifically, so you may have to dial in the fit on the go. We reached out to Bellroy about this issue and they're providing webbing keepers to help with this, and they're going to make sure to fix it on the next iteration so it doesn't happen, but keep in mind, it's just on this colorway. A minimalist wallet is essential for lightweight travel. When you get back home, however, you may not want to go back to your bulky trifold. With Andar's Apollo wallet, you don't have to. Although it's larger than a card sleeve, you can slot up to 10 cards plus cash in this leather wallet and still fit it in your front pocket. Inside, two internal pockets offer a staggered view of your cards on the right, and a pocket keeps your ID visible on the left. In between is a removable money clip. It flips up for easy stashing of cash and locks into place to hold your bills firmly. Although some international currency is a little too tall, so the clip may damage the bills. Slot your favorite cards in either of the two outside pockets for quick access. The pocket on the front holds one card that can be pushed out through the notched access. On the back, you can slide a few favorites in the end of the wallet and pop them up with the pull tab. Then you'll be ready to show your frequent sipper card at the coffee shop or your mug club card at the pub. Whether you're looking for a minimalist wallet or a new day pack, check out this video's sponsor, Huckberry. They know that finding the right gear is essential to making the most of your travels and everyday life. And with everything from clothing to pouches available, they're a great partner on the road to smarter travel. With a carefully curated selection of gear from top brands, Huckberry has something for nearly any traveler's style and need. Sort by category or activity to begin your search, then use the site filters to narrow down the list by size, brand, color, and more. New items drop daily, so you'll have no trouble finding merino wool clothing for your capsule wardrobe, a packing cube to put it in, and a new backpack to hold everything together as you country hop. If you don't know where to start, check out their online journal. It's got plenty of articles to spark inspiration for your next trip with ideas on what to do, eat, and pack for adventures in the city or the great outdoors. Head over to huckberry.com for the latest deals, travel tips, and new gear releases. We'll leave a link down in the description below. Now, let's get back to some more travel gear. You packed it for steady and awesome shots of fireworks, vistas, and your vacation. Yet the Peak Design mobile tripod also comes in handy for taking photos at home and in your everyday life. It collapses to the thickness of a few credit cards and snaps magnetically to the compatible phone case or using MagSafe. So there's really no reason to leave home without it. If you're rocking a case from a different brand without MagSafe or have an older iPhone, secure the universal adapter with its adhesive back. Leave the tripod attached to your phone or carry it separately in a small pouch until you need it. When you're ready to take a photo, pull the test tube shape from the top of the rectangle. While it moves as 3 individual feet fully spread to support your phone. The tripod swivels 360 degrees on the ball socket base, which comes in handy when you're taking pictures in landscape mode. However, since it attaches at the base, you may have to play around to find the right balance. After it's in the perfect position, use your phone timer to take easy group photos at any family and friend gathering. Organization is key to starting your day on the right foot, whether you're at home or on a trip. When you've got all your toiletries sorted into a Dopp kit, it's nice to keep it close at hand. And with the Mystery Ranch Spiff kit, there's no need to unpack. Pack Hacker Pro member Andre says he likes to live out of his travel gear as much as possible, and his Dopp kit is always packed up at home, and he just uses it in everyday life. When it's time for a trip, he zips it up and heads out the door. No packing necessary. The Mystery Ranch Spiff kit keeps everything at eye level and easy to find when you hang it with the included hook. The kit opens flat, and each half is covered with a flap that unzips horseshoe style. Behind it are 3 mesh pockets where you can pop in bottles of shampoo or deodorant. On the back side of the flap are rows of horizontal and vertical elastic loops to keep razors, combs, and other toiletries in place. On the front of each water-resistant flap is a skinny pocket for a toothbrush. The flap unzips halfway, so all your gear stays put, even when hanging it up. Since there's a place for everything, everything will be in its place, wherever you're getting ready, whether at home or on the other side of the world. A packable towel is an excellent addition for any packing list. You'll never know when you come across a gorgeous spring-fed pool or an awesome beach. However, that doesn't mean it's not useful at home too. This Turkish towel rolls up to the size of an overstuffed burrito, so it fits in most packs. Since it takes up less room on your towel rack, you may find it a terrific addition to your home too. Even though it's super thin, it soaks up water like a thirsty camel in an oasis, which is great news at the beach or in the bathroom. In addition to being useful after the shower, you could also keep it by the back door in case of a rainy day emergency. Since the striped gray pattern meshes with many styles, it won't look out of place in any setting. It's a bit stiff right out of the package, though it's easily fixable by popping it in the wash on delicate and hanging it to dry, or tumbling on low. It softens each time you use it and wash it, so it may quickly become your favorite way to get dry. We love packing merino wool when we travel. It's naturally odor resistant and wicks away moisture, so you can wear it day after day. This versatile material doesn't have to go into storage when you get home though. Made with a blend of merino wool and nylon, the proof 72-hour merino Henley is super soft and naturally regulates your body temperature. It absorbs sweat to keep you cool and dry while repelling outside moisture to keep you warm and toasty. Thanks to the antimicrobial nature of the fiber, this Henley lasts a few days between washes. Hence the 72-hour name. That's a plus if your everyday wear is a part of a capsule wardrobe. After all, doing less laundry is easier on you, and using less water is better for the environment too. The casual look of this 3-button shirt makes it a good fit for many situations, from bonfires to nights out with friends or a walk through the woods. And it's machine washable, so you don't have to treat it with kid gloves when it's finally time to be cleaned. Between the function and comfort, this may become one of your new go-to tops. A tote is handy, whether you're hauling your gear to the office or through an open-air market. After all, it's easier to toss books, bread, and beach towels inside of a bag with a lot more space. The Hyperlite Mountain Gear G.O.A.T tote is made with Dyneema composite fabric, which makes it ultralight, durable, and water-resistant. It's thin and folds down to roughly the size of a notebook, so you can find room for it in your day pack or car trunk to be ready for anything. Unfolded, it's nearly 1.5 feet tall and wide with a 7-inch base and has a capacity of 30 liters to handle all the gear for your travel party or an entire load of groceries if you pack carefully. You can also opt for the 20-liter version of smaller loads or the 70-liter tote for more storage space. It also has a few extra external loops for clipping a portable speaker or a hat, a small interior zipper pocket to contain small gear like your phone and wallet, and a loop for attaching items via carabiner. It stands on its own when it's full, so you can always use it to store blankets and jackets by the back door. They'll be easy to grab and ready to find on your way over to the neighborhood bonfire. As you crest the wave on a jet ski, the hat that's shading your face can fly off of your head. Of course, if your cap floats, you'll be able to circle around and grab it again. Try the Melin A-Game Hydro for a cap that fits the bill. While its floating design is perfect for a day on the lake or relaxing at the beach, it's also water resistant and moisture wicking for your daily workout or a pickup baseball game. That's why it may become your favorite everyday cap too. It's definitely mine at the time of making this video. The laser cut design is breathable to keep you cool in the heat, and the antimicrobial sweatband staves off odors. Plus it dries quickly. That's a plus whether you wear it in the pool or the rain. The rear snapback is available in 3 sizes, and each adjusts to fit a wide range of head sizes. There's even a hidden pocket inside the front panel where you can tuck away a key or cash, though there's no way to secure it. You'll also want to avoid bulky items, since you can feel the pocket's contents against your forehead. The floating abilities of this hat are hard to beat, which is why we included it in our vacation packing list. Link down in the description below if you want to check that out. So there you have it, versatile gear that you'll be happy to use at home and on a trip. Leave a comment down below and let us know which gear you use even when you're not traveling, because remember, some of the best recs come from you, the Pack Hacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next video.